In the revolution, you don't make a reply as if you are speaking in your birthday party, because leadership comes with a responsibility, and it's a privilege, it's not a right. So this is an invitation to a very complex, challenging, and huge task to which we must rise to. So we must rise to the occasion. When the leadership has spoken, ours is very simple. We must comply. So if the leadership says at this point, we believe that you can assist us in executing this task, so we can't deny that. We believe that the leadership has applied its wisdom comprehensively to arrive to a decision that it has arrived to. And ours as members is to comply and complain later if there is a need for complaining. So we understand this